Ooh, where all my Star Wars people at? So today we're going to read about The Mandalorian. People can watch new episodes of popular TV shows. This TV show is called The Mandalorian. People can watch The Mandalorian on Disney Plus. The Mandalorian is a Star Wars TV show. The setting of the show is in a make-believe galaxy. The Mandalorian will have 8 new episodes. The first episode will be on December the 1st, starting October 30th. It's already there. You can go and watch it. The last episode will be on Disney Plus starting December 18th. Many people are excited to watch the new episode. Have you watched The Mandalorian and seen that cute little baby Yoda? I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.